Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Mr. Ajay Kumar Pujari. I am an assistant professor from Vidyalankar School of Information Technology. So I'll be starting with the subject IT in Accountancy 1, which belongs to BAF semester 3. And today we'll be learning module number 3, which is concept of MIS in a computer environment, and the topic is introduction to MIS. So let us begin. So our learning objectives are introduction to MIS, concept of MIS, and need for MIS. So let us start with the introduction to MIS. MIS is the use of information technology, people, and business processes to record, store, and process data to produce information that decision makers can use to make day-to-day decisions. The full form of MIS is Management Information Systems. The purpose of MIS is to extract data from various sources and derive the insights that drive the business growth. So, MIS is basically a system which is designed in an organization to provide the right information at the right time to facilitate managerial decision making. Next, we will talk about the concept of MIS. To understand the concept of MIS, there is a definition given by Mr. Walter. So, according to him, MIS can be defined as a formal method of collecting timely information in a presentable form in order to facilitate effective decision making and implementation in order to carry out organizational operations for the purpose of achieving the organizational goals. So, the above definition of MIS clarifies that MIS is a system which helps the management in performing its job effectively. It provides the relevant information to each manager to make the right decision and stimulate his actions. So, it is a systematic approach to provide useful information for effective managerial functioning in the form of suitable reports. Now that we have understood about the concept of MIS, let us move further for the need of MIS. Why MIS is required? So MIS is basically required by the decision makers who actually need this information to make effective decision. So there are people in the organization who need to take decision, and before taking the decision they need some information on the basis of which they can take some decision. So decision makers need various types of reports to make effective decision, to take the decision on time. MIS system facilitates or helps the communication within the organization as well as outside the organization. So when you have data in the form of various reports, you can help employees within the organization to get those reports, and you can also communicate outside the organization, maybe with your customers, with your suppliers. You can effectively communicate between them. Record keeping. MIS records all the business transaction of an organization and provides a reference point for all the transactions. So you are basically recording everything. So basically MIS keeps a track of all the record keeping in your business. So in this session we have learnt about the introduction to MIS, the concept of MIS, and the need for MIS. Thank you.